Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin the repair of your Nintendo XL and PocoJet, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a precision screwdriver set, a Torx T8 screwdriver, tweezers, and a soft brush for cleaning. These tools are essential for safely accessing the internal components without causing any damage. Start by carefully removing the back cover of the Nintendo XL. Use the precision screwdriver to unscrew the screws located on the back panel. There are 6 screws in total. Make sure to keep them organized to avoid losing any. Once the screws are removed, gently pry open the back cover using a plastic opening tool to prevent scratching. Next, locate the system piston area. This is typically near the main circuit board. Before proceeding, ensure the device is completely powered off and disconnected from any power source to prevent any electrical issues. Now, inspect the piston for any signs of wear or damage. Use your soft brush to clean any dust or debris that may have accumulated in this area. A clean work environment is crucial for effective repairs. If you notice any sticky residue, consider using isopropyl alcohol and a cotton swab for a thorough cleaning. As you work on the piston, it's important to handle components carefully. If you feel uncertain at any point, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. This way, you can assess the issue without the pressure of committing to a repair right away. Once the piston is clean, check the connections to ensure they are secure. If you find any loose wires, use tweezers to gently reposition them. This is a critical step, as a loose connection can lead to further complications. After securing the connections, it's time to reassemble the unit. Replace the back cover and ensure all screws are tightened firmly but not over-tightened to avoid stripping the screws. If you find yourself in need of assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for pickup and delivery at your home. This service ensures you don't have to worry about transportation or making phone calls. Finally, before powering on your device, double-check that all components are properly seated and that there are no leftover screws. Power on the Nintendo XL and test the system piston functionality. If everything is working smoothly, congratulations on completing the repair. If you encounter any issues, remember that we provide a quote before any repair work, ensuring transparency and trust in our services. By following these steps, you can effectively repair your Nintendo XL and PocoJet system piston. Always prioritize safety, and if you feel uncomfortable at any point, professional help is just a call away. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.